Hey, good morning, folks. Welcome to Walnut Ridge. My name is Derek Wild. It's Walkthrough Wednesday. I'm out here at the 3352 2021 Passport GT Bunkhouse. We'll start out front here. This thing comes with two 20-gallon LP tanks and a power front stabilizer jack. You can see this front pass-through storage right here, Greer. Tons of space right here for whatever you may be bringing with you. And there's a light out here. It makes it really nice and convenient. As you can see right here, a lit, huge awning, power awning, Bluetooth speakers outside here, and it has the really nice stable steps going in. You can see you get two entrances here. On the Passport GT, it does come standard with these aluminum wheels, really gives it a really sharp look. You follow me back through here. A lot of people love this second entrance, especially right into the bathroom. That way you're not tracking dirt or debris or anything in through the whole travel trailer. Nice outdoor kitchen with a 2-burner stove and a small refrigerator out here. So you can do a little bit of cooking outdoors and really have fun outside. We'll come around the back. This unit does come with a ladder and a spare. It's got a fully walkable roof, really nice. Just get up there and do your own maintenance and take care of your unit. You need to do that. We'll just step inside if that's okay. Okay, girls, we step inside here in the master suite. As you can see, it's got the 60 by 80 queen bed, one of the leaders in the industry. The great thing about Passport and their niche is storage. They are the leader in this class of travel trailer, and you can see all of the cabinets on both sides. You've got nice little end tables with plug-ins. If you have a CPAP machine, you've got plenty of space right there. As you come through here in the pass-through bathroom, you'll see it's got the barn-style sliding door, stand-up shower, skylight. It's got the fan, and then you do have a nice little sink area and some additional storage in here. You are not cheated on storage in any of these Passport floor plans, as you can see when we come through here. Love this couch. All you have to do right here, it's very versatile. Flip that back. You go from couch to dinette, tons of space, more than your other dinettes. If you're going to play some cards or hang out with friends and family, this gives you more space than any travel trailer on the market. And then, of course, this does fold out into some additional sleeping area. Great kitchen area right here, a little additional space if you want to fold that up. You can see here, nice deep sink. And then to pull down, just makes it easier to do your dishes, folks. That's all. Again, tons and tons of storage everywhere you look. Above, below, by the television back here behind Greer. Everywhere you look, you've got somewhere to put something in here. Super nice refrigerator. But as we step back through here into the bunk room, you'll see how many people you could sleep here. You can sleep at least 4 folks in here, 1, 2, and then this whole thing folds out and makes a bed on the floor right here with a spot to put your TV across. Some additional storage again. You just can't go wrong. Everybody's got somewhere to put their things. It's a perfect unit for a family. Great travel trailer. Thank you for joining us on Walkthrough Wednesday. Again, my name's Derek. Come out to Walnut Ridge and find out why we've been #1 20 straight years, fifth wheel roll dealer in the state of Indiana. Thank you. Have a great day.